Okay.
मैम स्टूडेंट बहुत कम आता
क्या कर सकते हैं? Okay, so yesterday we were dealing with quantifiers. ठीक है, quantifiers हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे. So uh, many, several, few, used with countables or uncountables. Say Bhavya. Bhavya, can you listen? Can
Ma'am.
you what are many, several, and few used with? Countables or uncountables?
Uncountables.
फिर से सोचो.
Ma'am,
Many,
countable.
several, few.
काउंटेबल
Ma'am, much and those are used with uncountable.
So many, several, few used with countables. Many books. Several chairs. Few pens. Some is common. Some can be used both with countables and uncountables. So some can be used both with countable and uncountable. जैसे कि there is some water in the glass. ये भी हम बोल सकते हैं. There are some students in the room. So some is common. It can be used. Uh, it can be used with both countables and uncountables. But with many, several, few, इसमें भी ध्यान रखना है कि many, several, few जो है सिर्फ countables के लिए. And for uncountables, you use much, little.
I'm audible.
Yes, yes, Anuj, you are audible. Much, little. It is used for uncountables like much water. If you say many water, there is many water in the pond. Is it correct? It is not correct. Many water is not correct. So you cannot use many with uh, much, many with uncountable. Little oil, much water, little oil. Okay. So many, few, several used for countables, much, little used for uncountables. Then we come to distributives.
Yes.
ठीक है? Then we come to distributives. So each.
मैम स्वीट हो गया, चॉकलेट हो.
क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया निशु? Each.
मैम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड मतलब
नहीं, distributives है ये. Each every means all the members. All the members of a group. So each is usually used when we have two each members of a small group or two persons are involved. Then अगर दो लड़का है तो each of the two boys have completed the homework. यहाँ हम every नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं, दो लोग को रेफर करते हैं तो each ही यूज करना है. Sometimes we can substitute each for every. Huh? Like each of the boys has done the homework. Every boy has done the homework. यहाँ चलेगा. But when there are two boys involved, then you cannot use every. So each of the two boys have done the work. So when two is involved, only each. Every refers to member of big groups. Two or more. More than two, नहीं, two or more नहीं. More than two or big groups. Okay, every citizen must do the duty. Okay, every citizen must do the duty. So each every, then either and neither. Distributives में क्या है? Either neither. Either means any of the two. Either means any of the two. जैसे either of the girls will participate. मतलब दोनों में से एक जो है वो पार्टिसिपेट करेगी. तो either का क्या मतलब होता है? ये या वो. So either means any of two. Either of the girls will participate. दो लड़कियां हैं, उसमें से कोई भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती. So you understand the meaning of either? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so either means any of the two. There is choice. And then neither. Then another distributive is neither. What does it mean? None of the two. Neither means none of two or more. Mhm. Neither the students nor the teacher has come. Neither the students nor the teacher has come.
हमको लगा मिठाई नहीं काटते देखो बत्ती से निकाल
So neither the students nor the teachers have come. So here you are so you understand, neither of two or more. दो से ज्यादा भी टीचर्स यहाँ ज्यादा है. He neither came nor wrote a letter. दोनों में से कुछ नहीं किया. He neither came नॉट सेंट मी अ मैसेज, अब लेटर का तो जमाना। ओके, सो नीदर मीन्स नन ऑफ द टू, आया भी नहीं और मैसेज भी नहीं भेजा, तो none of the two, and either means any of the two. Okay, so you understand the difference. So these are the main determiners that you should keep in mind. चलते हैं कुछ एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। So here so see this, in this paragraph, the following paragraph has not been edited. So now all of you know the meaning of edited. Edited का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Following paragraph has not been edited. हाँ,
Corrected.
करेक्टेड। तो इसमें जो है वन एरर और ओमिशन, इसमें देखो मिक्स्ड है, किसी लाइन में एरर भी है, किसी में ओमिशन भी है। तो एरर जो है कैसे पहचान, एरर अंडरलाइंड है और ओमिशन जो है वो जगह स्लैश दिया हुआ है। तो अब इस लाइन में जो एग्जांपल में बताया हुआ है, इस लाइन में ओमिशन था तो यहाँ हमने द लिखा। सो द एरिया ऑफ द अटलांटिक ओशन ऑफ फ्लोरिडा has been and tricky one for travelers. So what is the correct word?
tricky.
Yes.
Oh,
A tricky one for travelers. In the days of
ma'am, a tricky.
uh, so yes, a tricky.
Area.
nahi, one of the travelers in the days of sail, ships crossing
The
Ma'am, the
एरिया, क्योंकि वो स्पेसिफिक है, वही पर्टिकुलर एरिया।
Ma'am, that.
That also you can use, but the is looks more suitable. Crossing that area, okay, you can have that also, because area is already mentioned। यहाँ पर area तो already mention है, तो पैराग्राफ में अगर एक चीज mention है और फिर अगर वो दोबारा आए तो वहाँ the use होता है, because it specifies, because it refers to the same thing, it has become specific। Like yesterday I had told you that the is used when we are specific about something, we are talking about one particular thing। The movie that I saw last week was very interesting। तो यहाँ हम तुम कोई भी मूवी के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे हो, वो मूवी की बात कर रहे हो जो तुमने पिछले हफ्ता देखा था। तो जब भी हम कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज की बात करते हैं तो द यूज करते हैं। और वैसे ही इफ इन द पैराग्राफ वन वर्ड कम्स एंड अगेन इट इज रिपीटेड, देन यू हैव टू यूज द। जैसे कि आई हैव अ कार, again if the word is repeated, the car is red in color, because you are using, you want to refer to the particular car which you have। Okay, so of course, then often found themselves be calmed for
ma'am,
Few.
the period.
Ma'am, few.
for
Some.
Ma'am,
For
for a
the
long.
period.
Ma'am, for a long.
for long periods।
Ma'am, we have to use only
It's
determiners now.
it's not mentioned।
डिटरमाइनर से तो सिर्फ ए लगा देते हैं।
नहीं, अ कैसे होगा? ए और एन तो सिर्फ सिंगुलर के लिए यूज होता है। मच यू कैनॉट यूज।
Some.
some periods, be calmed for some periods।
Ma'am, periods are
मैम
countable.
द भी तो हो सकता है।
Ma'am, can't we use few?
मैम लॉन्ग ही ज्यादा सुटेबल है।
लॉन्ग ही ज्यादा है सुटेबल, फ्यू नहीं यूज कर सकते हो। पीरियड्स आर कंसिडर्ड अनकाउंटेबल। बहुत सारा चीज ऐसा है ना कि लगता है कि ये काउंटेबल है, जैसे मनी इज ट्रीटेड इन ग्रामर एज अनकाउंटेबल। Why is it so? Because money can also mean other things like house, property. That is also included. So, to save drinking water, so for long periods, to save, it is not mentioned that to save drinking water, dash horses on board.
Many.
This this is
मैम में नहीं होगा.
many horses on board would be thrown into
Into the sea.
the. Nevertheless, any sailor died of thirst.
Many.
Yes,
Ma'am, neither.
मैम में नहीं.
many sailors.
मैम मैंने
Many sailors died of thirst. One of
The
Unique.
the
मैम one of the unique.
the unique seagoing mysteries ever.
मैम मैम
मैम ए
Yes, foot. A 103-foot sailing ship was found floating abandoned with
with
his
मैम
yes, with here you are not specific any life in the last 100 years, much than
More than.
yes,
मैम
more than
more
more than
more than 50 ships.
Or
मैम और
And what is wrong with and?
वही तो
and
मुझे
is
भी
correct.
वही तो मुझे भी
Ma'am,
लग रहा है. It's a printing error, I think. Because the sentence seems correct if you read it. In the last 100 years, more than 50 ships and 20 aeroplanes have disappeared. So this may just be a printing mistake. Let me see what kind of exercises are. Okay. So we can do this. Read the dialogue and fill in the blanks by using words which will help to make the meaning clear. So as we know that determiners are words which make the meaning of the noun more clear. It adds meaning to the noun. What will you use here?
Ma'am, the.
या these भी हो सकता
मैम
the भी हो सकता है, these भी हो सकता है.
these
These also is used for plurals. These or the both. Okay. Don't you think we need to get what are the what are the words you use for countables? Just try to recall.
Several, few.
मैम many
Don't you think we need to get a many of new ones? Many से ज्यादा suitable मुझे few लग रहा है. A few of new ones. कुछ नए chairs खरीदते हैं. Okay. We will talk about it dash later.
Some later. Some later.
Some नहीं, दूसरा.
मैम few later
नहीं, few. A little later. थोड़ा सा बाद में. So we'll talk about it a little later. बोलते हैं ना, I'll talk about it later या little later.
मैम few यूज होता है ना मैम
हाँ? Few
मैम
is
few भी use होता है ना?
ये समय है ना, तो टाइम. Little later. Little is more suitable. I have.
Some.
Okay.
Ma'am, some.
I have some important piece of work to complete tonight. I can't spare
The time.
Much time. No. Ma'am, many times.
one one yeah, one determiner I forgot to discuss with you is any. Any is used in negative sentences. uh, I missed it. Mostly in negative sentences. जैसे कि अगर बोलना है कि there isn't
दूध मांगे थे दूध नहीं लाया है
any.
दिया ना, ठीक है ना?
Okay, like there isn't any water in the glass. यहाँ isn't आया, ये नेगेटिव ये है, तो नेगेटिव वर्ब्स के साथ ज्यादातर हम any यूज करते हैं. तो here also it is a negative word, so you use any. I can't spare any time. जैसे बोलते हो ना अपने दोस्त को भी, I don't have any pen. So there you use any. You can't say I don't have many pens. So in negative sentences, any is also a determiner. In negative sentences, mostly you use any. So here also it is a negative sentence. So you will use any. Right? I saw.
Ma'am, the. Some.
यहाँ हम कोई पर्टिकुलर चेयर की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. सम यूज कर सकते हैं.
मैम many.
मैंने भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So you can use both. I saw many exquisite chairs at Woodcraft. Yeah, ऐसे भी बोल सकता है. I saw some exquisite chairs at Woodcraft. I think they would fit beautifully in
Our.
The.
The. In the. Ma'am, the होगा.
the भी हो सकता है, are भी हो सकता है. दो लोग हैं तो आर होगा. दो लोग के बीच का, अकेले कोई बात कर रहा है तो इन द ड्राइंग रूम, इन आवर ड्राइंग रूम, बोथ यू कैन हैव. वुडक्राफ्ट, इट
is the.
द नथिंग मच टू थिंक अबाउट. सुपरलेटिव है मोस्ट, तो द ही लगना है. इसमें तो कोई सोचना ही नहीं है. इट इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव शोरूम in town, but they have authentic teak furniture. Or we could choose dash set of chairs.
A set of chairs.
A set of chairs, okay. In Rosewood. Dash idea maybe to buy some cane chairs.
Ma'am, my idea.
Okay, my idea, okay. My idea maybe नहीं, यहाँ मे भी है. माई नहीं सूट कर रहा है. अगर इज रहता तब माई सूट करता. माई आइडिया इज टू बाय. लेकिन अनदर आइडिया, maybe to buy some cane chairs. I guess it would be useful to spend a
Lot more. Few.
Little more. You read the sentence and you find out whether it looks suitable or something. So like अगर sentence को हम पढ़ें, I guess it would be useful to spend a little more on furniture. So as I told you, money is treated as uncountable in English. So you keep it in mind that money is uncountable. So little more. Mm. I guess it would be useful to spend a little more on furniture which would last for,
Many.
yes, many. Okay, let us see what. So when can you spare a hours? Hours is countable. घंटे वो तो
Few.
a few hours. Mm, yes, a few, because hours is countable. We could go, अभी
On
बताए थे ना डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव्स में दो में से एक चुनना है तो
ma'am, either.
यस ईदर. हाँ, अभी बताए थे ईदर मीन्स एनी ऑफ द टू. So here you have a choice. Neither means none of the two. So here we could go either Saturday or Sunday. दोनों में choice है तो either. So D4. What will you use in the first? Akash Kumar? Akash? Okay, Ambesh? Ambesh, can you, am I audible to you, Ambesh? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ambesh. I want someone who hasn't answered today. Ayush Kumar? Ayush, what will you use in the first blank? I have been to a doctor or the doctor. Ayush?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Advait, answer.
Ma'am, the doctor.
Yes, because we are here, we are talking about the particular doctor whose name appeared in the New York Times. कोई भी डॉक्टर का हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are talking of, okay, yes. I had left. Okay. I'd left my green t-shirt on the bed, but I can't find it now. Is there?
Of
Kaushal?
fitness.
Kaushal Kishore? Kaushal?
Ma'am,
Kaushal?
can I?
Okay, Himanshu, answer.
Ma'am,
Yes. Is there a? Okay. One few and यहाँ तीन option है. Example helps understand concepts better. Shreyasi, you had raised your hand. Shreyasi,
Yes, ma'am.
you raised your hand. One few.
An example.
An example. Okay. India's cultural diversity.
Ma'am, India's.
India.
ma'am, India's.
Yes, with the apostrophe. Huh? India. So
Ma'am, India.
India. एक चीज मुझे ये दो सेंटेंस में लिख रही हूँ. आई वॉन्ट द आंसर विच इज करेक्ट.
Ma'am, the first one.
First one.
Yes.
I mean,
first
second
one.
one, it is.
Yes, this you have to. It's we get confused sometimes because we think that this is possessive, showing someone possession. So you have to, but there is no apostrophe in this. First one is correct. Okay, so just okay. So India's cultural diversity attracts to that house at the corner of the street belongs to,
Those.
yes,
Ma'am, those.
those, yes, those people who are standing near its gate. He has hardly read.
Many books.
क्या
Many.
बताया?
Ma'am, many
Ma'am,
book.
many.
अभी क्या बताया? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस.
Many books.
I don't have. You can't say I don't have
Ma'am, any.
much.
Ma'am, many.
Any. नेगेटिव, ये एक तरह से नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है. हार्डली मतलब क्या? बहुत कम. He has hardly read any book. So you can't say I haven't answered many questions. I haven't answered any question. Haven't है. Negative sentence में ज्यादातर any use. He drove with.
Ma'am, little. Little.
Ma'am, little.
Ma'am,
little. आगे क्या दिया हुआ है? Hence was fined by the traffic police. अगर वो ज्यादा केयर से ड्राइव करता तो ट्रैफिक पुलिस तो फाइन नहीं करती, कम केयर से. हाँ, so, little, a little.
Ma'am, little.
A little. Ma'am, a little.
लिटिल और अ लिटिल में अंतर ये है कि अ लिटिल इज अ लिटिल पॉजिटिव, हाँ, और लिटिल इज अ नेगेटिव वर्ड. मतलब बहुत कम अगर है, हाँ, अगर बहुत कम है तब लिटिल कहते हैं. अगर थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है तो अ लिटिल कहते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस?
Yes, ma'am.
लिटिल मीन्स very little, बहुत कम. A little means some, थोड़ा सा है, हाँ, और little मतलब बहुत कम है. तो a little थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव जैसा है. कम तो दोनों है, लेकिन अगर हम दोनों को कंपेयर करें तो लिटिल मतलब बहुत ज्यादा कम, a little मतलब कम है लेकिन फिर भी है. So what will you use?
Ma'am, a little.
A little, थोड़ा सा तो.
Ma'am, a little.
A little,
A little.
आधा आधा दूध तो लगता है तो ज्यादा ही लगता है. लिटिल. ओके. Few, some.
Some.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
some.
some.
Ma'am, some of the mango trees.
Just some of the mango.
Ma'am, each.
Each. Ma'am, each.
Each student. All the members of a group. My.
Ma'am, other.
Other.
Yes, my.
Ma'am, other.
Yes, other sister. The dash monkeys that escaped from the Delhi Zoo. यहाँ हम पर्टिकुलर
Ma'am,
Three. Ma'am, many. Three.
पर्टिकुलर है ना एम्फोसिस, तो
Ma'am, three.
Three.
Ma'am, three.
I spent
a little.
A little.
the little. The little मतलब क्या? जो था वो सारा. The little means whatever I had, all I spent. So you may have
Any of four watches. Ma'am, any.
any of the two watches. Any. Okay. और क्या एक्सरसाइज कर सकते?
Ma'am, time हो गया.
हाँ, टाइम हो गया है. So all of you are maintaining copy.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's better you update your copies. So till now we have done 4 chapters in first flight. We have done 4 chapters: Letter to God, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom, then 2 stories about flying, and uh, Diary of Anne Frank. One day I'll show you a video about the Diary of Anne Frank. For uh, 10 minutes we can watch the video, that you will get an idea of the background of Anne Frank's life. Uh, so 4 chapters. Someone is continuously disturbing. So 4 chapters. 4 chapters we have done in first flight, and in the second book we have done 3 chapters. Midnight, no, fourth also we have done, Question of Trust, Midnight Visitor. Okay, so you do the question answers side by side. Don't keep your work piled up. Hmm?